Have you ever felt a bit lost when trying to understand your medical bills or health insurance benefits? It is common to see terms like copay and deductible on your insurance documents, but what do they really mean for your wallet and your access to care, especially with virtual visits becoming more common? Understanding these two key terms can make a big difference in managing your healthcare finances. Simply put, a copay is a fixed amount you pay for a healthcare service at the time you receive it, while a deductible is the amount of money you must pay out of pocket for covered healthcare services before your insurance plan begins to pay its share. Think of a copay as a small, consistent fee for a service, and a deductible as an annual threshold you need to meet before your main insurance coverage kicks in more fully. The core idea behind both a copay and a deductible is cost sharing between you and your insurance provider. Deductibles are designed to ensure you have a financial stake in your healthcare choices, which can help prevent the overuse of medical services. Your deductible typically resets at the beginning of each plan year. For example, if you have a $1,000 deductible, you would pay the first $1,000 of your medical costs for covered services before your insurance starts to contribute. Many services, such as lab tests, emergency room visits, and hospital stays, often count towards this annual deductible. A copay, on the other hand, is a consistent fee you pay each time you visit a doctor, have a telehealth appointment, or fill a prescription. This amount is usually much smaller than your deductible, perhaps $25 or $50, and often applies whether or not you have met your deductible for the year. For instance, even if you have not met your annual deductible, you might still only pay a $25 copay for a routine virtual doctor visit. Once your deductible is met, you still might owe a copay, or your insurance might cover 100% of the cost, depending on your specific plan. This dual system helps manage both small, frequent costs and larger, less common expenses. To understand your exact costs, always check your specific insurance plan documents. You can usually find this information clearly listed on your insurance card, in your member benefits guide, or by logging into your insurance company's website or calling their member services line. It is always a good idea to confirm your copay amount for virtual visits before your appointment, as it can sometimes differ from in-person visits. Having this information upfront allows you to budget and avoid any surprises. An important insider detail to be aware of is your out-of-pocket maximum. This is the absolute most you will pay for covered healthcare services in a given plan year. Once you reach this maximum, your insurance plan typically covers 100% of your remaining covered medical costs for that year, regardless of your deductible or co-pays. Both your deductible payments and your co-payments usually count towards this out-of-pocket maximum, offering an important safety net against very high medical expenses. Some plans also feature what is called a combined deductible, where family members contribute to a single deductible, often reaching it faster than individual deductibles. Knowing the difference between a copay and a deductible, and how they interact with your out-of-pocket maximum, empowers you to budget for healthcare expenses with greater confidence. It ensures you are never surprised by unexpected bills, leading to a smoother and more predictable healthcare experience. Understanding these terms helps you confidently access virtual care and make informed decisions about your health, knowing exactly what to expect financially.